Everyone. So my name is Joachim Sebastian. Together with Adil, we are part of the RAAQUU team, and today we're going to be covering a number of things for you, mainly 3 processes, right? Yeah. What are the processes you're going to cover?
Coppermatte RAAQUU, Obvara RAAQUU, and smoke RAAQUU. Mainly, it's commonly used as a slip glazes RAAQUU or naked RAAQUU.
Okay, so 3 different techniques that we'll be covering.
Full of combustible or it's papers here, over here. Yeah. So, yeah. Yes. We got about two pots for, so if you just use copper alone, so the copper will get smeared and not easily wipe out. Often. See.
RAAQUU technique and a step-by-step approach. So what's happening right now is that we're